Hello again! Today we've got a new unboxing and this is the Parkside Benz pillar drill, model PTBM 500D4. We have some specs here. We do have a power consumption of 500 watt. We have speed of 500 to 2500 RPM. Little warranty 3 years. We have 3-meter cable. Now inside we are going to find some manuals. Next of all is a box. Oh yes, of course. We have a chalk 5 to 16. Next we have this mounted base. This plastic cover. You want to protect yourself when you are drilling. We have the base, I think, yes. Okay, next we got some lovely tools for disassembling, and next of course we have this mounting system to attach whatever we want, and then we can drill it, wood, steel, whatever, it's our choice, metal, aluminium, metal tube. Good. This is the motor. Let's assemble it to see how it goes. First of all, we do have this base tube. I'm going to mount it here. Some screws here. Okay, screw it. We have to put this inside the tube, and we can tight enough, okay, and put it. Oh, here it's very heavy. And we have the Allen screws here, and we can tighten it, align the motor of the base. We can put the chalk, this here, and it's okay. Next we can take off this and just like that. This here with 2 big screws. Now I'm going to show you how to mount these here, because you will need it to turn it. Next we have this key. Okay, let's turn this open, and we can mount whatever we want and drill it. This is a safety of course first. We do here have some safety pictures. This is the motor, and all this is the assembly of the Parkside PTBM 500D4. On-off switch, tight mechanism for the motor, and here. And guys, to my next video I will test this how it goes. Thank you again for watching the assembly of this Parkside. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell for new videos to come. Have a nice day. Bye bye.